I'm just waiting for the blue jay to come back. He's so big compared to everybody else. He's even bigger than the my male woodpeckers out there. They love those peanut butter wafers. He's eating an apple treat. There's a red hot one back there that nobody ate until the blue jays came along and they started eating it. What a colorful crew. Look how many colors. What do you see? Oh, look at the sparrows. Those sparrows are almost as big as the cardinals. God, I got 4 male cardinals at once down there. Oh, kitty, you gotta get into it. Love that woodpecker right there. He's so cool. That's one of the biggest woodpeckers I have. There's the blue jays would come back. They're a cute little titmouse. I don't see the blue jay right now. It's so cool to see a cardinal, a blue jay, and a woodpecker all in one spot. A lot of cardinals down there with my juncos. Look at that. What is that? Is that a grouse? That guy right. What is that? Is that a grouse? That looked just like a chipmunk on the head. Wow, what do we got? 5. Oh, that's the most brilliant. He's my most brilliantly colored. He's the big daddy. He's got like 3 females. Oh, there's my jay. My jay, my jay. Look how big the jay is. He's so big compared to everybody else. And he just comes in, swoops in, gets his seeds, and takes off. And there's that woodpecker. Wish I could just play beautiful music in the background instead of me talking, but that's the homemade peanut butter, beef fat, and raisins. We have a lot of birds. This is what I've done all winter. Wow, look how many female cardinals are over there. Hey boys, I found all the girls. They're all over there. There's all your ladies. There's that grouse looking thing again. I've got to figure out what that is. Wish I could see my jays one more time. Big, beautiful blue jays. People be like, it's just a blue jay. Well, I haven't seen them all winter. And these 2 big old boys moved in today. And it's really cool to get to see some new neighbors.